Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn the new Instagram shitty feature, turn this off. So the process is really simple. You just have to follow this guide. So as we all know that Instagram keep on releasing new shitty features no one asked for, but anyway, so here is the instant feature, and if you wanna try to like move and drag it to any cross button, there's no cross button, but there is a way how you can turn this option off. So let's get dive into that option then, or the process. So first of all, go to your profile section, and if you have any questions you can follow me and ask any questions here. Now hit that three lines in the top right corner, right? And now just swipe up all the way down, and here you will see content preferences option here. Hit on that and just turn this option on, just turn this toggle on. Hide instants inbox. So in inbox, when this is on, you won't see new instants in your inbox. So that means you are able to hide that instants feature in your iPhone's Instagram, or it's same for the Android as well. So it is the simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.